Who won the Odakudal Award of 2018? E.V. Ramakrishnan. First scheduled caste woman passed school final in Kerala. Dakshayani Velayudan. National income of India first scientifically calculated under Professor V.K. R.V. Roy. Headquarters of Asian Development Bank, Manila. World population reached 600 crores in the year 1999. The winner of Women Qatar Open in 2019, Elise Martins. The 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern of education introduced by Kothari Commission. Name the only planet that has a day longer than its year, Venus. First woman justice of Supreme Court of India, M. Fatima Bibi. The act which provides 100 days assured employment every year to every rural household. NREGA means National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. National Consumer Day, December 24th. Mahalwari settlement was introduced by Holt McCannies. The system of cultivation that the planter produced indigo on those lands which were under his direct control. Niche cultivation. Partition of Bengal revoked by Lord Hardinge. Atmavidya Sangam organized by Vagbadananda. The land of Naduvari Cherikal. The Constitution incorporated 10 fundamental duties by which Amendment Act of 1976. 42nd. First woman climbed Agasthyakudam peak in Kerala. Danya Sunil is the correct answer. The first book completely printed in Malayalam, Sanksheba Vedartham. Gandhiji hailed it as a miracle of modern times. Temporary proclamation. That's it.